Are you struggling to launch your event ticket selling mobile app quickly and efficiently? Developing a beautiful, feature-rich application from scratch can be a time-consuming and costly endeavor. You need a robust, cross-platform solution with a stunning user interface without the hassle of building everything yourself. Introducing Evento, the ultimate Flutter UI kit designed specifically for event ticket selling mobile apps. Evento provides you with a comprehensive, ready-to-use template, enabling you to launch your application in record time. Built with Flutter, it ensures a seamless, pixel-perfect experience across both Android and iOS devices from day one. Immerse your users with a modern and clean design that supports both captivating dark and light modes. Navigate effortlessly through a wealth of meticulously designed screens, including intuitive login and registration flows. Explore a dynamic homepage, detailed event listings, a smooth buy ticket process, and a convenient My Ticket section. Users can manage their profile, utilize powerful search and filter options, and stay updated with notifications. The kit even includes chat functionalities and map integration to enhance the user experience. Evento boasts a clean, well-organized codebase, making customization and scaling straightforward for any developer. It comes with clear documentation, ensuring a smooth setup and development process for your team. Benefit from free lifetime updates, ensuring your app stays current with the latest Flutter advancements and design trends. Evento is built for fast, performant, and responsive operation, adapting beautifully to various screen sizes. Stop wasting precious time and resources on ground-up development. Accelerate your project and deliver an exceptional user experience with Evento. Get started today by acquiring Evento, the complete Flutter UI kit for event ticket selling. The link to purchase Evento is available right in the description below.